Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel, because in this episode I'm going to forge a paint can opener. So ladies and gentlemen, I've been painting my house and I've been using one of these little commercially available paint can openers to open up all my paint cans and all that sort of thing. But I really don't like it, and now that my rivet forge is up and running and we're forging away, I thought I'd make myself a blacksmith's version of one of these little things. So I'm going to get rid of that. Just going to use a piece of 1/2 inch round bar that's 6 inches long, black mild steel. We're going to go and put it in the forge now. We're going to make ourselves a paint can opener out of it. This is a really good project for a beginner blacksmith. Practice all your skills, bit of twisting, bit of drawing out, all that kind of thing. So let's get off to the forge, go make ourselves a paint can opener. So there we are, ladies and gentlemen, that forging's finished. This is my wrought iron paint can opener, which supersedes the horrible little hardware store bought thing. Goodbye. We've now got ourselves something a little bit unique actually. It doesn't take very long to make. It's a very simple, easy project. It's got a little end on it like there, like a little screwdriver, kind of like a screwdriver point. It's got a spiral twist just because I felt it needed something decorative. You don't have to put it on there, but yeah, I kind of like it. And on the end there, it's got a swelled out portion there that just fits in the palm of my hand like that when I'm opening up a paint can. Just goes in there nicely. It gives me that leverage that I need to flip the can off. But here's the thing, here's what we all want to know. Will it open a paint can? Let's go and find out. Ta-da! Will it open a paint can? Hey, you beauty! That's a fantastic opener. Absolutely magnificent. Well, look at that, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, 4 cranks on that paint can and we had her open with a new beautiful wrought iron paint can opener. This is a very simple project, as I said before. It's the kind of thing that if you're a beginner, that's a great little starting project for anybody. Look, everybody knows somebody who's painting a house. I'm painting my house now. Well, that's why I made it. But these are great if you want to make things to sell, or if you want to give someone a gift, something a bit unusual, you know. The material cost is almost nothing. They only take maybe half an hour to make one. You give them to your friends, your family. You know, you can sell them at craft markets, stalls, all that kind of thing. And it adds to your repertoire. It adds to the things that you can make that not everybody else is making at the moment. So if you decide to take on this project, good luck with that, and I hope that this video has given you just a little bit of insight into how I make my ones, and maybe that might help you out. I hope it does. Drop me a comment in the comment section if you make one and you reckon it's a good thing. But until the next video comes along, that's the end of this one. Thanks very much for watching. See you later.